Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Beginner. As discussed in last session, we are going to learn about what are JDK, JRE and JVM, right? But before that, I want to show you a simple Java Hello World program. So you can clearly understand how Java works internally. Once you see this simple program running, then understanding JVM, JRE and JDK will become very easy. But to write and run any Java program, first we need two things. Okay. First one is JDK, Java Development Kit. So this helps us to compile and run a Java program. And second one, IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So it helps us to write code easily. Don't worry at all, I'll guide you step by step. So now to write a simple Java program, we need two things, right? JDK and IDE. So what are these? I'll tell you a simple example, okay? JDK versus IDE. Imagine you have a car. How car will move? Because of engine, right? Engine makes the car move. And gas, it gives the power to the engine. So these two are very important to move a car. Engine plus gas, right? Without engine or gas, the car cannot run. Correct? In same way, in Java, JDK is like gas plus engine. It contains compiler because it converts our Java code, and JVM, it runs the program, and some libraries, some support features. It means without JDK, Java program cannot run. Just like a car cannot run without a gas and engine, right? In same way, without JDK, our Java program cannot run. And the second one is IDE, right? Now look inside the car. So to move the car, we need gas plus engine. Now look inside the car. What we have inside the car? Steering wheel, buttons, indicators, brake, clutch. So this makes driving easy, safe and comfortable. This is a dashboard. So IDE is a dashboard. It helps us to write code easily. It will show the errors and auto completes the code and run program with only one click, single click. So simple. IDE does not make Java run. It just makes our works easy. Like a car dashboard helps the driver, right? So here two things. JDK, engine plus gas, need to run the program. Need to run the car. And IDE, it's a beautiful dashboard. So it helps developer coding easily. So now we have to install these two things, JDK and IDE. Okay. So now we are going to download these two and install in our laptop. To install JDK and IDE, simple. First we need to open the browser and search Oracle JDK download. See, Oracle JDK downloads. If you search, the latest versions are here, JDK 21 and JDK 25. So the latest version is JDK 25. This was released in September 2025. It is the most recent with latest features. But many developers still prefer the long-term support versions like JDK 21 or JDK 17 because they got a longer official support for JDK 21, right? 25 recently came. We need some time to make it stable, right? So my recommendation is we can download JDK 21. Now we have to select OS. For me it is Windows. If you are using Macs or Linux, you can click on it. So I am using Windows now, so I am clicking on Windows. It is downloaded and it is asking our permission, so simply click on yes and then next and then next. It will take some time. Now we just need to click on close. That's all. So now Java is downloaded and installed. Now we can check our Java version. So just need to go into search and type cmd command prompt. Open command prompt. Here type Java space hyphen version. What version we are using, it will say. Okay, just click on enter. See, now Java version is 21. Okay, so once it is installed, you have to verify which Java version you are using. Okay, and second one, we need to set environment variables. For that, in search box you can just type advanced system settings. Okay, click on it, go to advanced system settings, click on environment variables. There is a button environment variables, click on it. Here you can see system variables, right? There is a system variables, so click on new. Here you have to write in capital letter Java hyphen home. So here we have to give a home path. Okay, JDK path. For that we just need to go to C drive and program files. We just downloaded JDK, right? So here there is one folder with Java. Click on it. You can see JDK 21. Just we downloaded, right? Click on it. Copy this path. Paste it here. So this is JDK path. Okay. That's it. Click on OK. And next, here environment variables are there, right? So here click on path. You can see path here, variable. Click on path and click on edit button. Okay, and here click on new. Here you have to type this one, Java hyphen home percentage bin. That's all. Click on OK and next OK and next OK. So basically this helps us system to find Java command from anywhere. Okay, and next we have to download IDE, right? We have to install IDE. So for that, open browser. Here I am preferring Intellij. Okay, Intellij IDE download. You can type Intellij IDE download community version. Okay, and then you have to select OS Windows. Now download. It will take some time. Still downloading. After downloading, click on it and then click on next, next, next. That's all. Install. So it is taking some time. So if Java is new for you, don't skip this video, guys. Proper setup saves you from the future. Now we just need to click on finish. Okay, so now I will open IntelliJ. Now we have successfully installed JDK and IDE, right? We can easily write our first Java program. Okay, so in next video we will write about first Java program, hello world, so that you can easily understand what is the JVM role here. Okay, all right.